Hey, Tigers, I hope you're keeping safe and well. Guys, today I am bringing you another 5-minute crafts. It's some hacks for outdoor food recipes. Delia Smith, eat your heart out. Right, guys, I'm rubbing my head because I'm trying to protect and shield the brain cells that I have frigging left doing these 5-minute crafts. Guys, if you have had a loss of brain cells recently due to the said 5-minute crafts videos, smash that subscribe button in the face with that daily notification alarm bell. Give me a thumbs up or give me a thumbs down, Tigers. It's all engagement and feedback from me. I am a nosy bitch. I want to know what you guys think. My carpal tunnel is still there, still raging and still extremely painful. Like, OMG. Like, I don't know what's going to be worse, the brain cells that are getting leached or the constant blooming hand spasms I'm getting. Oh my gosh. Let's roll that intro. Okay, so we have a watermelon and we put some tin foil in and some coal. Already I don't like this because I don't do watermelon, Tigers. Oh my gosh. Right, let's pull apart this now, Tigers. So, here's how it goes. The sausages themselves. They're like them Frankfurt one. You know them hot dogs that you get in like jars of brine or tinned. Oh my god, I can't even believe I'm mentioning tinned sausages. Them ones that you get in baked beans, for instance. They are an abomination. That is not ever seen a decent cut of pork. The stuff that goes in there, from testicle, eyeballs, bits of old manky joints of muscles and tendons and ligaments, and also chicken in actually some of the Frankfurters. And get a friggin' sausage that's made fresh and decent from a decent butcher's. Like, for me, there's a butcher's that I have to go and drive to, and I can, well, I don't personally drive, I go and get my mum to do it because I can't drive, especially not with carpal tunnel this bad. Oh my gosh, I can't even pick up a pen. Anyway, I digress. Critchlows, you are amazing. OMG, massive shout out to you guys. Those are in the Peak District. Oh my gosh, phenomenal. I just want to say that has never been a bloody sausage. And why cook it in a watermelon? Why'd you have to eat a bloody watermelon or throw and waste a bit of watermelon meat? Why? And this is supposed to be 5 minutes, right? I know this is like a proper rant, but still. Wood setting fire? No, these would break. They're only shitty skewers made out of wood. And you don't need... Oh, God almighty. Oh, food poisoning. Oh, X-Acto knife, aka Stanley knife. Stanley's been knifed! Stanley's been knifed! He's got some extra! He's got some extra! Oh, right, okay. Oh, already. Oh my f***ing God. There is a food factor called salmonella. It is a very, very nasty bacteria to get. And it's commonly found in undercooked high-protein foods like your pastas, your rices that are full of starch and protein, eggs, dairy, sausage even. Like, seriously. And you don't need to frigging cut a bloody can of Fanta. How are you paying Fanta? Are they paying you? Now, I want to know what contract you guys have got. I'm a nosy bitch. I want to know. Oh yeah, because one egg's going to fill you up. Holy shit. You need, no, right, okay, for starters, let me tell you now, you need things like bits of fluff, hay, dry material underneath. That's what you like first, right? And then you start putting wood on top once it starts taking hold. I'm no camper. I'm no camper. Obviously I am, for one certain way. I wouldn't go sleeping in a pissing tent in the middle of a forest. Oh my gosh, that is not for me. Like, even I know how to create a freaking fire and get it going. Oh my gosh. Breathe, Mikey. Oh, you grated some soap. Okay, because it's oil-based, you should be able to... Oh, put some benzene in it. Oh, right, yeah, because we all randomly carry benzene around. Christ almighty. Waste of toothpaste. Do you know what it looks like? You know when you make a cake and you soften the butter and add sugar to it and beat the living shit out of it? Looks like that, to be fair. Sorry, I'm actually putting my fingers inside my PC. No. Sort of a speck of dust. I've left the side panel open, Tigers. It's an Alienware one where it motorises up and down. Courtesy of another CEO here at TIEG, Damon. Thank you ever so much, bro, for that. A massive shout out. The Beast, as it's now called, is running in optimal condition. So thank you ever so much, Damon. I do, however, require you to go and put the side panel back on because of the hinges on it. So hint, hint, get your ass back down these stairs. Please, pretty please, and get this door back on it before I start messing around with it. Oh, and also I need to talk to you, Damon, about the M2 socket inside it. I need to know if you know the best deals for it. Anyway, I digress. Let's carry on, Tigers. God, I need to be careful I don't get demonetized.
This activity is performed by actors in a controlled environment. Please use caution if you plan to replicate. I don't plan to replicate.
Oh, you don't light a fire like that. Shit the bed. Oh, okay. They actually look quite nice. Oh, hang on. You're f***ing burning them. Your meat's still raw inside. It's fucking raw. On the outside it's burnt. God almighty. I will say though, it looks like a spider's died on skewers. It genuinely does. I could not eat that. It looked nice as they were putting it all together, but now it's burnt to a freaking cinder. Oh my god. And then they ruin it with some tomato ketchup and one slice of piss poor toast. Help me. What on earth? Oh, cheese and egg, flour, instant noodles. Right, okay. Right, before anyone says anything, I had 3 packets of ramen noodles today. I did a mukbang, but without any viewers or anything. I had to do it without the camera on, just to see if I could do it. I could still nail it. Oh, chef's kiss, perfect. I can tell you now, you have to absolutely decimate the frickin' bag that it comes into, beat the living shit out of it to get all these small little bits, and giving it a good shake. See, it doesn't even look like I'm probably going to get demonetized for that. YouTube, it's not what you think. Yeah, they don't turn out like that. And why the heck? I'm a cheese fiend, right? But that is the freaking type 2 diabetes, heart attack shit on a plate. Well, that is disgusting. That looks freaking grim. You dirty sons of bitches. I know 5-minute crafts are fond of using ramen noodles, making repairs for toilets and sinks, what I've seen of Sniper Wolf, Corey McCriz and Daz Black. Shout out to you guys, your inspirations. That looks terrible. What are you doing? What on Satan's fetid foreskin is that? I could cry, Tigers. I'm absolutely shocked. What the fuck? How much paprika? Why? Oh my god. Like, I'm exhausted today. I'm absolutely knackered, but... So, Mum, can you tell us here at TIEG if you've ever, in your chefing career, been told to chop the top off an apple, put an egg in it, top it with paprika, wrap it up in foil, and then cook it on some burning coals?
Absolute crap, no. It's crap you're watching, isn't it?
Yes! Say hello to the Tigers!
Hello, Tigers.
What the heck? Oh, that looks terrible. Tomatoes, cucumbers, onion, ketchup, burger, mustard. Did anyone see an issue there? I did. For starters, let's hit it off with, as soon as you put that rucksack on your back, all that's going to go all over that clear bag, what you've just taken off. So clearly, you've just transported it as it is. You just take a fucking bite, you moron.
Done her. Oh, I don't know which one's go for. It did dog shit. Fucking bastard, you are not it. Oh.
Oh my god. Don't be a... oh my god. What is the point? Someone's had a bit of a nip slip.
Someone's not got a brawn!
I'm sure there's a 5-minute craft video for that, but your bra needs sorting out, because that's not right. What are you doing now, love? No, you are not making popcorn. Oh, God, really now? It doesn't work like that. Oh, that looks like a bag of diarrhea. Egg. A lot of egg. Why? Oh my god! What was the hack? Useful camping hacks you should know. Oh great, here we go, Tigers. Yeah, because you know we're all going to sleep comfy in some tin frickin' foil, aren't we? I know it's there to chuff in, keep eating like. No, it's not there to keep the heating. Shall I tell you why? Because you're not f***ing covered up. Oh no, can opener. Starters, I don't think John West would appreciate you doing that to their cans. Secondly, it doesn't work. And thirdly, I think you'll find it was piss poor edited because that can too cleanly open there. And that doesn't sync up with that, nor does that to that. That's way off. So obviously that's been fixed, pre-done. Sorry, Tigers. It is not very goodly edited via 5-minute crafts. You ought to be ashamed of yourselves. Would you like some metal with your tuna? It's got like high mercury already, like, but why not add some more? Why are you doing... Are you playing Cat's Cradle or something? Can you remember that game, guys? I ain't got any wool or string or anything. I've only got computer wires, and I'm not doing that with that. Anyway, Cat's Cradle, what you used to play with your hands and you used to get like your partner or a friend or something to do the next bit. Anyway, it looks like that.
This takes more than 5 minutes, darling.
Your speeded up camera work is a load of diabolical shit. Protected from wild animals. Oh yeah, because you know, a badger can't just think, oh I'll just step over that. You know, a mouse might go under there and go, great, party time. Let's go and have a game of limbo under this lot. Oh, look at that. A freaking wild boar could fit through there. I hope a massive tarantula, a bird-eating spider comes crawling to you and freaking scares the living shit out of you. You ought to be ashamed of yourself. Bada bing, bada bong, it's done. We are done. Thank God for that. Oh my gosh. Delia Smith would go freaking mental. Oh, Christ on a bike, 5-minute cross. What the hell are you doing to us all? Tigers, smash that subscribe button in the face with that daily notification alarm bell. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. It's all engagement and feedback for me. I'm a nosy bitch. I want to know how have you been, guys. I can tell you now, my carpal tunnel is painful as hell. My hand. It hurts, Tigers. Any recommendations, comment down below. Guys, thank you so much for all your support recently. And it's just so phenomenal how much we have grown and developed as a gaming community. Thank you ever so much, Tigers. And I just want to say a massive shout out to Lardy Barstow. Now there's only one person within TIEG that should really pick that up and know it's about them. Anyway, don't do anything I wouldn't do. Stay safe, be warm, be well, stay epic. Ciao for now.